Sears, Roebuck and Company, honor built modern home. Look at that bungalow. You could be right here in Charlotte in the Dilworth area and have one of those and be close to $1 million without blinking. But here it is, 100 years ago, about 1920-ish or so. You could have bought this house, all of the components for it, for about $1,100. They're going to give you all the materials, already cut, all ready to go. And you're going to get this floor plan. You have a front porch. You come in, there's a parlor and a dining room. And then you have a little hallway. Remember what I always say about split ranches? Well, this is a ranch for sure, a little bungalow with a bathroom in the middle, and then a kitchen in the rear and a pantry, small little porch in the back, big sitting porch in the front. And then you would put it together yourself. You would hire local laborers to do it. A lot of these you could put a basement underneath it. What's interesting that even this house had a 9-foot ceiling, which is what we see today, 9-foot ceilings, and it's all encompassed there. Little 2-bedroom, 1-bath home, the dining room and a parlor and a kitchen in the back. Now, what we enjoy today is the open concept floor plans where it's not chopped up like that. But this is a piece of history that Richard Sears, not long after he started the company, that he began to ship out kits of houses to be built on site. This is from about 1920 or so. 100 years ago, guys, think about it. Now, if you want to buy a house like this in Charlotte, give me a call at 704-345-3400 and have your checkbook ready. This is exciting. If you want to go to SearsArchives.com, SearsArchives.com, you can browse a lot of these types of homes. See you in the next video.